Do you like pancakes? Do you like cereal? What if you put them together? Pancake cereal! Woo! Woo! I like about the pancakes taste and it's like so mini, so cute! I think this one's so cute. If it's Mickey Mouse, I'll eat 100 million!
Who wrote the pancake cereal?
I love this so much. Hi everybody, today we're gonna make pancake cereal. What we need is pancake mix, oil, egg, water, squeeze bottle. We're gonna do this later. Just put 4 ingredients together in the mix. But first, we're gonna put in the pancake mix. And anyway, let's find out how chunks of this. We put water, now we are gonna put oil. You better hold the bowl so it doesn't spill. So now we're gonna put this pancake mix into this bottle, spoon bottle. Come on, Enzo. Not enough for my tummy. Now we're gonna spray the oil. Oh my god, the pancake cereal's good! So we just need tiny little pancake. Just don't squeeze too hard to make it hard. Yeah. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's just a lot of practice to do this. Remember the last time, like, we were doing my auntie's pancake and it didn't come out. So all you need is just a little practice. Take your time is the hard part. Whoa, what? Now I need this. Can I take one? Time to flip.
You so cute.
Come on, let's flip, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, the timer is running.
Okay.
They're so adorable. Like, you can see how the ears are like created. This is so yummy. I cannot stop eating.
Who wanted pancake cereal?
Time to fill our tummy. I love it. Not yet. You only get okay. You only get milk, okay? Not too much. I love this so much. I want to eat this every morning. Me too. I like eating sodas. Coming to town. Thank you for watching. If you like more videos like these, please subscribe. Bye.
Enzo, I didn't try. I just wanted to try a little bit. I didn't mean to take all. Do you like it? Do you like your cereal?
Oh, be careful. Oh.